All right, so Google I/O 2025 has just finished, and it's fair to say the tech world is still processing the sheer volume of announcements. Sundar Pichai and the team at Google basically rolled out the next chapter of their AI ambitions, and it's looking seriously impressive and perhaps a little bit daunting for some. The central theme, making AI more accessible, more powerful and deeply integrated into the tools we use every day, especially for creators. It's clear Google isn't just dipping its toes in the AI water anymore. They're aiming to build the entire ocean, and they're handing out some pretty advanced boats. The keynote felt like a declaration of intent, a signal that the research lab experiments are rapidly becoming real-world products. For anyone watching the AI space, this event marked a pivotal moment, shifting from what if to what now, and the what now is looking incredibly cinematic thanks to a couple of headline-grabbing reveals. What really stood out was the focus on practical application, especially within the creative industries. Google is clearly positioning itself as a key enabler for the next generation of digital content, providing the underlying architecture and the user-facing applications to bring complex ideas to life. The message was clear. The barrier to entry for high-quality video production is about to get significantly lower, and the creative possibilities are about to explode. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of Google Veo 3. This is Google's brand new state-of-the-art generative video model, and it's a proper beast. Veo 3 is designed to produce stunning cinematic outputs with a strong emphasis on realism and prompt adherence. Think high-definition video, potentially 1080p and beyond, generated from a text description. One of the standout features of Veo 3 is its incredible attention to detail and understanding of complex prompts. Google says Veo 3 excels at rendering lifelike human features, including notoriously difficult things like hands, and can maintain character consistency across multiple shots. Furthermore, it boasts enhanced photorealism and improved text generation within the video itself, which is a subtle but important detail for many types of content. Veo 3 comes with native audio generation. We're talking environmental sounds, background noise, and even character dialogue with accurate lip syncing. This capability alone could revolutionize workflows for quick turnaround projects, social media content, and even pre-visualization for larger productions. Early access is being rolled out to Google AI Ultra subscribers, which gives you an idea of the premium nature of this tech. Now, having an incredibly powerful video generation model like Veo 3 is one thing, but how do you actually wield that power effectively? That's where Google Flow comes into the picture. Announced alongside Veo 3, Flow is described as an AI filmmaking tool, or perhaps more accurately, an orchestration model. Think of it as the central hub, the director's chair, from which you can command Google's suite of advanced AI models, Veo for video, Imagen for images, and Gemini for language understanding and script assistance. The core idea behind Flow is to bridge the gap between a creative vision and the technical execution using AI. Instead of just typing a prompt into a void and hoping for the best, Flow provides a more structured and interactive environment. One of Flow's key strengths is its deep integration with Gemini models. This means users can prompt and interact with the system using natural everyday language. Moreover, Flow allows users to incorporate their own assets, perhaps existing footage, character designs, or specific props, or use Flow to generate new assets on the fly using Imagen's text-to-image capabilities. Essentially, Flow acts as the intelligent intermediary, ensuring that all the different AI components work together harmoniously. Section 4, Inside Flow's Toolbox, Crafting the Future of Video. So, what specific tools does Google Flow actually put at a creator's fingertips? It's not just a black box, it's a suite of features designed to give users granular control over the AI generation process. First up are the camera controls. Instead of just getting whatever angle the AI decides on, Flow allows for direct control over camera motion, angles, and perspectives. Then there's the Scene Builder. This feature is all about iteration and expansion. It allows users to edit and extend existing shots generated by Veo. Flow also includes robust asset management capabilities. When you're working on a project, especially one involving multiple AI-generated elements, Keeping track of everything can become a nightmare. Finally, Google is introducing Flow TV. This isn't a creation tool itself, but rather a showcase and learning resource. It will feature a curated selection of clips, channels, and content generated using Veo and Flow. Crucially, it will also display the prompts and techniques used to create that content. This is an incredibly smart way to foster a community and help users learn how to get the most out of these powerful tools. By deconstructing successful examples, creators can pick up new prompting strategies and understand the nuances of controlling the AI, accelerating the learning curve for everyone involved. Section 5. Sundar Pichai's Blueprint: AI as the Ultimate Creative Collaborator. During the Google I/O 2025 keynote, Sundar Pichai didn't just present Veo 3 and Flow as new products, he framed them within a much broader vision for the future of AI, particularly in the creative industries. His message was clear. Google sees AI not as a replacement for human creativity, but as a powerful enabler, a collaborator that can unlock new forms of expression and democratize storytelling. Pichai emphasized the transformative potential of these integrated AI tools. The real magic, in Google's view, lies in the synergy between Veo, Imagen, Gemini, and Flow, working together as a cohesive AI-powered creative suite. He highlighted how this ecosystem could streamline complex workflows, allowing creators to iterate faster, experiment more freely, and ultimately push the boundaries of their own creativity further than before. This philosophy also extends to the collaborative nature of these tools. Section 6. The wider lens, Veo, 3, and Flow's impact across the board. The implications of Google Veo 3 and Flow extend far beyond just the professional film industry. For independent filmmakers and small production houses, this technology could be revolutionary. Content creators on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram also stand to benefit immensely. Imagine being able to generate unique B-roll footage, custom animations, or fantastical scenes for your videos with just a text prompt. Educators, too, could find powerful new applications for Veo 3 and Flow. Creating engaging visual aids, historical recreations, scientific visualizations, or animated explainers could become significantly easier and more accessible. And of course, the world of marketing and advertising will be watching closely. Section 7. Shaping Tomorrow's Stories. The road ahead with Google's AI. The unveiling of Google Veo 3 and Flow at I/O 2025 really does feel like the dawn of a new creative era, or at the very least a significant acceleration of an existing one. The pace of AI development in the visual space is just astounding, and these tools represent a major leap in terms of quality, control, and integration. The potential to revolutionize how video is conceived, produced, and experienced is immense. Of course, with such powerful technology come important considerations and potential challenges. The line between real and synthetic content is becoming increasingly blurred, which raises valid concerns about authenticity, misinformation, and the potential for misuse. Despite these challenges, the overwhelming feeling is one of optimism and excitement for the creative possibilities that Veo 3 and Flow unlock. Ultimately, Sundar Pichai and Google have laid out a compelling vision for an AI-assisted future of video creation. The future of video isn't just being written, it's being generated frame by stunning frame, and it's happening faster than many of us anticipated.